Are you ready to take your tools to the next level? Today, we're diving into 40 next-level tools on Amazon that will completely change the way you work. From futuristic gadgets to game-changing innovations, these tools will blow your mind. Crescent Nail Puller. Imagine working on your latest DIY project, and you realize you've nailed something in the wrong spot. Removing nails can be a nightmare, often damaging your workpiece. That's where the Crescent Nail Puller comes in. This powerful yet precise tool lets you pull out nails effortlessly without ruining the surrounding surface. Whether you're restoring old furniture or fixing construction mistakes, this tool turns frustration into satisfaction. A must-have for woodworkers and home renovators who want a clean and damage-free finish every time. Knipex Pliers. Wrench. Picture yourself trying to grip a stubborn bolt that just won't budge. Standard wrenches slip, and adjustable pliers don't always get a firm hold. Enter the Knipex Pliers Wrench, a revolutionary tool that combines the grip of a plier with the adjustability of a wrench. It smoothly locks onto nuts and bolts without slipping, providing unmatched control. Whether you're fixing your bike, plumbing, or working on a car, this tool feels like an extension of your hand. Solid, reliable, and effortless. FastCap Third Hand Support System. Have you ever struggled to hold drywall in place while trying to screw it in? Or wished you had an extra hand while working alone? The FastCap Third Hand Support System is like a personal assistant for your projects. This adjustable support pole holds materials steady while you work, reducing the need for extra help. Whether you're installing cabinets, drywall, or shelves, this tool ensures precision and stability, making your job smoother and much less stressful. Rolling knee pads. Working on the floor can be brutal on your knees. Imagine installing flooring, fixing baseboards, or working under the sink without constantly getting up and down. Rolling knee pads solve that problem by letting you glide smoothly across the floor while protecting your knees. Designed for ultimate comfort, these pads make moving effortless, preventing strain and fatigue. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated DIYer, these knee pads will keep you rolling through your projects with ease and comfort. Bosch Blaze Laser Measure. No more struggling with long, clumsy tape measures. The Bosch Blaze Laser Measure provides instant, pinpoint accurate readings with just a click. Whether you're measuring a room for new furniture or planning a home renovation, this tool saves time and effort. It even saves your measurements digitally, so no more writing down numbers or second-guessing. Once you try this futuristic tool, you'll never go back to manual tape measures again. Digital Angle Finder. Ever needed the perfect angle for a woodworking or metalworking project but struggled with protractors? The Digital Angle Finder makes it easy. With a simple digital display, it gives you instant angle measurements with laser-like accuracy. No more guessing or measuring twice. Whether you're cutting crown molding or setting up precise machinery, this tool ensures your angles are spot on every single time. Self-leveling cross-line laser. Hanging shelves, aligning tiles, or making sure a picture frame is perfectly level. These tasks usually require patience and a steady hand. But with the self-leveling cross-line laser, you can project perfectly straight lines across any surface instantly. Whether you're working on walls, floors, or ceilings, this tool eliminates the guesswork and gives you professional results without the frustration. Tactics Digital Caliper. When precision matters, every millimeter counts. The Tactics Digital Caliper is designed to give you exact measurements down to 0.01 millimeters, ideal for machinists, engineers, and serious DIYers. It digitally displays the most accurate readings for wood, metal, or plastic. Whether you're building, repairing, or crafting, this tool guarantees that your measurements are flawless every time. Works Pegasus Folding Work Table. A portable workstation is every craftsman's dream. Imagine setting up your workspace in seconds with built-in clamps that secure your materials firmly in place. Whether you're sawing, sanding, or assembling furniture, the Works Pegasus Folding Work Table adapts to your needs. It folds easily, supports heavy loads, and is compact for storage. Say goodbye to wobbly workbenches and hello to a sturdy, reliable companion for all your DIY and professional projects. Milwaukee M12 Rivet Tool. Manually riveting metal can be tedious and exhausting. The Milwaukee M12 Rivet Tool changes that by automating the process, letting you install rivets quickly and with precision. Whether you're working on a car, metalwork, or industrial projects, this tool saves time and effort, reducing hand fatigue. Just pull the trigger and watch as it creates secure, professional-grade rivets in seconds. It's a must-have for anyone serious about speed and efficiency in metalworking. DeWalt Atomic Compact Drill. Need power in the palm of your hand? The DeWalt Atomic Compact Drill is small, lightweight, yet incredibly strong. Its high-performance, brushless motor drills through wood, metal, and plastic effortlessly. Perfect for tight spaces where larger drills won't fit, it delivers professional results without the bulk. Whether you're assembling furniture, mounting shelves, or fixing appliances, this tool ensures you have maximum power with minimum effort. Makita Subcompact Circular Saw. When it comes to cutting wood like a pro, the Makita Subcompact Circular Saw is the ultimate game changer. Weighing only 6 pounds, it's ultra-light, yet packs serious cutting power. Whether you're building furniture, remodeling your home, or crafting something special, this saw slices through wood like butter. With precision-engineered blades and a compact design, it's easy to maneuver, ensuring your cuts are sharp, clean, and effortless every single time. Magnetic Pickup Tool. Ever dropped a screw, nut, or small metal piece into an impossible-to-reach spot? The Magnetic Pickup Tool is your hero in tight spaces. With its telescoping ability and powerful magnet, this tool can reach under furniture, inside engines, or deep into toolboxes to retrieve lost metal objects. It's a lifesaver for mechanics, DIYers, and anyone working with tiny metal parts. No more struggling or wasting time. Just extend, grab, and get back to work. Inflatable Air Wedge. Say goodbye to struggling with heavy furniture, doors, or cabinets when making adjustments. The inflatable air wedge lets you easily lift, level, or position objects with precision. Simply slide it in, pump it up, and adjust as needed. It's perfect for professionals and homeowners tackling installations or repairs. Whether you're aligning appliances, working on a car, or fitting doors, this tool gives you effortless control without the need for extra hands. Auto-adjusting wire stripper. Tired of struggling with manual wire strippers that require constant adjustments? The auto-adjusting wire stripper does the job in seconds. Just insert the wire, squeeze, and watch as it strips the insulation cleanly, regardless of the wire's thickness. Whether you're an electrician, hobbyist, or DIYer working on home wiring or electronics, this tool will save you time and frustration, making every wire cutting task smooth and precise. LED magnetic work light. Working in dimly lit spaces can be frustrating and unsafe. The LED magnetic work light attaches to metal surfaces, providing hands-free illumination exactly where you need it. Whether you're fixing a car, working under the sink, or setting up a job site, this ultra-bright LED light ensures you have perfect visibility. Its flexible design allows you to angle it for maximum lighting, making every project easier and safer to complete. Electric screwdriver with gyroscopic control. Imagine a screwdriver that responds to your hand movements. With gyroscopic technology, this tool rotates in the direction of your wrist twist, making screwing and unscrewing effortless. It's perfect for assembling furniture, repairing electronics, or handling delicate DIY projects. No buttons, no switches, just pure intuitive motion control. Once you use it, you'll never go back to a regular screwdriver again. Digital torque wrench. Precision tightening is crucial for mechanics and engineers. The digital torque wrench eliminates guesswork by displaying real-time torque measurements. Whether you're working on a car, engine, or assembling machinery, this tool ensures bolts and nuts are tightened to exact specifications. With an easy-to-read digital screen and audible alerts, you'll never over-tighten or under-tighten again, keeping your projects safe and professional. Augmented reality measuring tool. Transform your smartphone into a futuristic measuring device. This tool uses AR technology to measure distances, spaces, and objects with pinpoint accuracy. No need for traditional measuring tapes. Just scan the area and get instant digital measurements. Perfect for interior designers, DIY enthusiasts, and construction professionals who want fast, reliable dimensions without manual effort. Cordless portable soldering iron. Soldering without wires? Yes, please. The cordless portable soldering iron is a game changer for electricians and hobbyists. No more hunting for outlets or getting tangled in cords. Just power it up and start working. Ideal for circuit boards, jewelry repairs, and intricate electronic fixes, this tool heats up quickly and provides steady, reliable soldering performance anywhere you go. Multi-angle contour gauge. Ever struggled with tracing complex shapes for cutting? The multi-angle contour gauge lets you copy any shape with perfect precision. Just press it against a surface, and it instantly records the outline. Whether you're cutting tiles, flooring, or woodworking, this tool ensures a flawless fit every time. No more guesswork, just precise, custom-cut pieces with minimal effort. Thermal imaging camera for smartphones. What if you could see through walls? With a thermal imaging camera attachment for your smartphone, you can detect heat signatures instantly. Whether you're finding insulation leaks, checking electrical circuits, or spotting hidden pests, this tool makes the invisible visible. Professionals and DIYers alike will love the added insight it provides. Vacuum sealing storage bags. Running out of storage space? These vacuum sealing storage bags compress bulky items like clothes, blankets, and pillows in seconds. Using a simple vacuum attachment, these bags remove excess air, reducing storage size by up to 80%. Perfect for home organization, travel, and seasonal storage, they keep your items fresh, dust-free, and compact. Water jet cutter. Imagine slicing through metal, glass, and stone using just water. A water jet cutter is a next-level tool that uses high-pressure water mixed with abrasive materials to make ultra-precise cuts. Whether you're a professional metalworker or a creative DIY enthusiast, this technology allows you to craft intricate designs with minimal effort. Mini chainsaw for one-handed use. Cutting wood has never been easier. This compact but powerful mini chainsaw is designed for one-handed use, making tree trimming and wood cutting a breeze. It's lightweight, easy to control, and packs enough power to handle branches and small logs effortlessly. A must-have tool for landscapers and homeowners. Digital multimeter with Bluetooth. Testing electrical circuits is now smarter than ever. This digital multimeter with Bluetooth syncs directly to your phone, allowing you to record and analyze voltage, current, and resistance in real time. Whether you're troubleshooting home wiring, car batteries, or electronic devices, this tool makes diagnostics simple and efficient. Smart tape measure. Say goodbye to manual tape measures. This smart tape measure connects to your phone via Bluetooth, instantly logging measurements and even creating blueprints. It's perfect for interior designers, carpenters, and homeowners planning renovations. Precision has never been easier. Flexible drill extension. Bit. Have you ever needed to drill or screw in a tight, awkward space? The flexible drill extension bit bends and flexes to reach difficult areas, like inside cabinets or behind appliances. Compatible with most drills, it's a game changer for anyone working in confined spaces. Universal socket wrench. Tired of switching between different socket sizes? The universal socket wrench automatically adjusts to grip hex nuts, screws, and bolts of various shapes and sizes. Whether you're working on home repairs, automotive projects, or DIY tasks, this tool replaces an entire set of sockets with one simple device. Heated jacket with battery pack. Stay warm while working outdoors. This heated jacket comes with a rechargeable battery pack, keeping you comfortable even in freezing temperatures. With adjustable heat levels, it's perfect for construction workers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who braves the cold for long hours. Cordless electric scissors. Cutting fabric, paper, and even plastic is effortless with cordless electric scissors. Unlike manual scissors, this tool glides through materials smoothly with minimal effort. It's perfect for crafters, tailors, and DIYers who want precise, fatigue-free cutting. Rechargeable magnetic LED work light. Need hands-free lighting in dark spaces? This rechargeable magnetic LED work light sticks to any metal surface, providing bright, adjustable illumination. Whether you're fixing a car engine, working in a dimly lit garage, or doing nighttime repairs, this tool keeps your workspace visible and efficient. Multi-tool survival hammer. A life-saving tool you never knew you needed. The multi-tool survival hammer combines a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, flashlight, and more into one rugged tool. Keep it in your car for emergencies. It could mean the difference between life and death in a crisis. Digital air compressor for cars. Forget unreliable manual pumps. This digital air compressor inflates your tires with precision, displaying real-time PSI readings. Whether you're on a road trip or just need to top off your tires, this tool ensures you stay safe and prepared. Smart door lock with fingerprint sensor. Say goodbye to keys. This smart door lock unlocks with just your fingerprint, keeping your home secure while allowing keyless entry. Perfect for homeowners who want convenience and enhanced security. Cordless paint sprayer. Achieve a smooth, professional paint finish in minutes with this cordless paint sprayer. No more messy brushes or rollers. This tool evenly coats walls, furniture, and fences effortlessly. A must-have for DIYers and painters alike. Portable solar charger. Stay powered anywhere. This portable solar charger absorbs sunlight to charge your devices on the go. Perfect for campers, travelers, and emergency preparedness, it ensures you never run out of battery, even off the grid. Electric ratchet wrench. Speed up your mechanical work with an electric ratchet wrench. It tightens and loosens bolts quickly, saving you time and effort compared to manual ratchets. Ideal for car repairs, construction, and assembly work. High-powered shop vacuum. Tired of weak vacuums? This high-powered shop vacuum has the suction strength to clean up sawdust, metal shavings, and even liquids. Whether you're in a workshop or a garage, this tool keeps your space spotless. Laser-guided scissors. Cut perfectly straight every time. These laser-guided scissors project a bright red laser line to guide your cutting, making them perfect for sewing, crafts, and precise paper cutting. And that's it. 40 incredible tools that will change the game. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tool discoveries. See you in the next one.